I'm here at our cabin at 15 Scenic Point Drive at Soto, Wisconsin. We have owned this cabin now for approximately 8 years, and we bought it as a second home for us after we retired from a nearby county. We've enjoyed it for all that time, but it's coming time for us to depart with this cabin and move on to the next point of our lives. We intend to show off this cabin to the best of our abilities. And you can see, if you look at the pictures, there's been a lot of improvements that have been made, a lot of them just recently on here. And it's been a work in progress for us that we've really enjoyed. Over the years, we've refinished the kitchen and put in all new Amish cabinets in there. We put a new floor upstairs and a new floor downstairs. Last year, we put in a new roof on the shed and a new roof on the house, new gutters, and a new paint job. And so those are all the improvements that we've made. So we were looking for a cabin or house that had an excellent view, and this certainly meets those requirements on here. We have excellent view of the barges that go by every day, and at least during the barge season. And enjoy the wildlife here as well. And so that's what we were looking for, and we certainly found that with the view. And this certainly satisfied that need.